In this video, you'll learn how to hire packing help on Taskrabbit. This guide will take you through the steps needed to find and book a tasker for packing and unpacking services efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. Once you are on the homepage, you will notice an option to either sign up for a new account or log in to an existing one. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and click the login button. If you're new, follow the prompts to create your account before proceeding. After logging in or signing up, locate the button labeled Book a Task at the top of the home page. Clicking this button will direct you to the task selection page where various service options will be available. Here, you will need to search for packing in the search bar that appears. Once you type packing, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select packing and unpacking, which typically ranges in price from $63 to $91. This selection will filter the available services to those related specifically to packing and unpacking tasks. Next, you will be prompted to enter your location. This step is crucial as it allows Taskrabbit to display available taskers near you. After entering your location, wait for the page to load the relevant taskers in your area, ensuring you can find help that is geographically convenient. As the results load, you will need to fill in the job details. This includes specifying the number of rooms that require packing, the types of items being packed, and indicating whether you need packing, unpacking, or both services. Providing precise information helps taskers understand your needs better. On the left panel of the screen, you will find various filters. Here you can refine your search results by date, time of day, price range, and tasker type. Adjust these filters to find a tasker that fits your schedule and budget. Once your search results populate, browse through the tasker cards displayed. Each card will show the hourly rates, ratings, reviews, and the number of completed tasks for each tasker. Take your time to compare these factors to select the most suitable tasker for your needs. After deciding on a tasker, click the button labeled Select and Continue. This action will take you to a calendar view where you can pick a date and time for the task. Ensure you choose a time that works well for both you and the tasker. Once you have selected your preferred date and time, review the details of your task. This includes a summary of the job, any extra notes you wish to add, and your payment information. Confirming these details is essential to ensure accuracy in your booking. Finally, click the button labeled Confirm and Chat to finalize your booking. This will secure your chosen tasker and allow you to communicate directly with them regarding any specifics about the task. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.